When I was 21, I drove out to St. Martin's, I pulled up to Sea Caves, and I was sold, I was hooked. Started my first business. I lived in my tent. We created this company to have the lifestyle that we really enjoy.
Red Rock Adventure is New Brunswick's outlet to the world. We just have so much to see and do here, and I'd love nothing more to show off New Brunswick to people.
Jordan loves kayaking. He loves teaching people about the Bay of Fundy.
It's that chance to do what makes me happy as a job. Bay of Fundy has an extremely long history, dating back 250 million years. Nova Scotia actually broke apart from New Brunswick, creating this funnel shape, and that's how you get your tides. The water that runs through here on a tide can fill a Grand Canyon, upwards of 50 feet of water.
Our biggest feature is the Fundy Trail Parkway. Some of the best views you'll ever see of the Bay of Fundy on land. It's about experiential education. People want to be part of it more than just seeing it. You sit here, and that's when you really start soaking in all the senses.
Those are those moments where everything kind of hones in on nothing.
It really makes you feel so tiny, your blip of where we are on the earth. On our trips, we do a variety of meals. We try to incorporate as much local food as we can. Lobster we buy comes from a local lobster fisherman. The really cool part is that you can say, this lobster came from Kent, and Kent caught that today and we have it. I think they come away with a sense that they're part of Red Rock. If I have the opportunity to go and see these places, then other people should have that opportunity. I don't want to keep the secret of the Bay of Fundy to myself.